straight away cutting across to a breaking update, we're getting to know where the NIA is conducting raids, and it's currently underway in 2 locations in Anantnag. These raids are linked to ISIS terror module. Let me straight away go across to Zeenat. Zeenat, more raids taking place, especially in Anantnag. Can you give us the details, please?
Yes, Amita, once again, the raids are being conducted by the NIA, IB, Jammu Kashmir Police, along with CRPF and other intelligence agencies in Anantnag. Right now, the raids are taking place in Achabal area. What I'm picking from the sources is that the house is being raided of a student who had been studying in Parahaspora, and right now his house is being raided along with another person in Achabal area of South Kashmir's Anantnag district. If you remember, Amita, yesterday also NIA conducted raids since early morning till late evening yesterday, where the 7 locations were raided and also 7 persons were detained, although their interrogation is taking place at GIC Srinahumhama along with cargo, where a lot of things are being, I am told that they are being grilled, they are being questioned, because yesterday when the raids were conducted, not only the ISIS t-shirt logos, laptops, tab and other material, incriminating material. In fact, there is a magazine called Voice of Hind that propagates. There are a lot of things that they run against the country, and they are showing the images that the injustice is being done to the people, to the Kashmiris. So it is a propaganda magazine that has been published from the Anantnag yesterday. The raids were carried, and these raids are also the part of the yesterday raids, where the 2 houses, religious houses, are being frisked by NIA along with the team of intelligence and police. Right now, the raids are taking place in Achabal area of South Kashmir's Anantnag.
All right, so the raids were going on in South Kashmir yesterday as well, where 9 people were detained. Zeenat, if you can share more details on that front, as we're expecting more people to be taken into custody after today's raids. We're getting to know that in 2 different locations in Anantnag, these raids are being conducted by the NIA.
See, Amita, yesterday, if we see the raids, some 7 people were detained by NIA, and they were taken to the Joint Interrogation Center in Humhama, which is in the outskirts of Srinagar, and simultaneously the another team of Jammu Kashmir Police, they carried the interrogation at the cargo. Not only the phones are being checked, the data is being recovered. What I'm picking from the sources yesterday, one of the person who was detained later by the NIA, he completely reset his phone. Now they are trying to get the material from his phone, what was there, because it's all about propaganda that the ISIS are carrying in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly as far as their magazine is concerned, Voice of Hind is concerned. They are talking about, they are looking into it, that who are the people behind the material, how the magazine is being ranked, who are the people, how they recruit, because the magazine is also about the recruitment, the radicalization of Kashmiri youth, and because these people want these youngsters to wage wars against the country, although they have multiple links not only in Kashmir but also outside Kashmir. So raids were conducted yesterday also in one of the Darul Ulooms yesterday in Nawab Bazar, where the chairman and his son were detained. They too are being questioned. And then I'm also picking from the sources that the people who were yesterday detained, they might be taken to Delhi for further interrogation, because that is what the picture looks like. And right now, what it seems that the people who were detained yesterday, they have given more information to the NIA, their wings, where they are actually spread, and who are the people also working for the magazine, and how the youth are being radicalized. So
Dr.
on the basis of
with us on the phone line, Zeenat, please stay on with us. Sir, thank you very much for taking out your time. As far as crackdown on terror is concerned, sir, we are looking at several raids when in connection with terror that has been taking place across the nation, especially if we talk about Jammu and Kashmir, sir. In Anantnag area, we're getting to know that these raids are taking place for 2nd consecutive day, sir. What are extra information that you can share with us if you know any of all of those people who have been detained in connection with ISIS, sir?
No, I do not have direct information. Only the officers who are on spot would be able to give that information. But I would say that this was required to be done, and I think the terror funding is the thing which is sustaining terrorism and all incidents related to terrorism. And I think the heavier we bounce on it, the better it is. And it is this action should have been taken in right earnest much earlier, and it's great that it is being done. Terror funding should be crushed.
Because this is The operation that is being carried out is for the second straight day, and in different locations we're getting to know in Anantnag itself. Sir, thank you very much for taking out your time and speaking to us. Let me go back to Zeenat on this. What is the ISIS link that is now being investigated by the NIA? Zeenat, if you can tell us.
See, Amita, if you remember, there are a lot of online propaganda. The social media is being misused by the Pakistan in order to recruit youngsters, in order to wage war against the country. So a lot of things are being done online, because if you remember, GOC 15 crore, or for that matter, IG Kashmir, DGP, Jammu Kashmir Police have been telling repeatedly that the social media is being misused by the enemy sitting just next to line of control. So there were inputs about how the magazine is being coming out. The propaganda is being done through Voice of Hind, and who are the people actually behind the magazine, and how the terror funding is coming, how they are pumping money into terror relating activities, how they are using the money to recruit more youngsters into terror ranks. So all that was being investigated by NIA, although this started much earlier in 2017 when the Jammu and Kashmir witnessed first raid of NIA, and since then we have been seeing not only the separatists but also many politicians and political leaders were questioned. Yes, just one of the example is Engineer Rashid, then PDP's youth icon Wahidur Rahman Para, and then so many people were questioned, they were arrested, and now again the fresh raids are being witnessed in Kashmir Valley since yesterday, and this action has come just after when government of Jammu and Kashmir has already terminated some 11 employees because they were also involved in the terror funding. Hawala cases were registered, they were raising and collecting, and they were transferring money, and in that, those who were terminated just 2 days back also includes the Saeed Salahuddin, who is the Hizbul chief. His sons are also have also been terminated by J&K government. I beg your pardon.
All right, thanks very much, Zeenat. So the anti-terror operation continues with the NIA raids that are currently being carried out in 2 different locations in Anantnag. We continue to focus on this big story.